Gang, this is Mike with my Real Estate Dojo. Today I'm going to be talking about a technology that allows you to call somebody's cell phone without their phone ringing and actually leave a message in their voice message box. This technology is very, very powerful because you can use it for a variety of different ideas for your business as an investor, as a realtor, or even as an entrepreneur. So let's dive in and get started and see how I use it for my business. Alright guys, this technology called SlideDial is a very powerful tool that you're able to call people and actually leave your message in their voice message without actually ringing that individual's cell phone. That individual, your customer, is going to just notice that they have a voicemail, and then when they listen to it, it's basically your sales pitch or whatever your pitch is. The way I use it in my company is, for example, in my moving business, I use it a couple different ways. Number one way I use it is through calling our customers after they use our moving company and thanking them and telling them, hey, we really appreciate them using our services and we really appreciate them. Okay, and I'll do that 2 or 3 times after they move. You know, once they move, like 3 days later, I'll go ahead and do a voice message dial. 1 week later we'll do another one, and then 3 weeks later we'll do another one, just letting the customer know that we really appreciate them. And so what I've done is created one message for the 3-day, one message for the second, and one message for the third. And then when the customers move, we just take their phone number, upload it into this website, and then click the message that we want to send, which is the follow-up number 1 or number 2 or number 3, and associate with the database, and click of a button, and it'll instantly broadcast that into everybody's voice message without even calling them, bothering them. And whenever our previous customers have time, at that time they're able to listen to their voice message and see that we really appreciate them. Other ways that you could use it, which is very powerful, is for sales and prospecting. For example, in my real estate company, Plug-in Realty, well, actually in Mr. Investor, you know, one way I use it is that I get my VAs, virtual assistants, to go ahead and get a database of FSBOs. And with those FSBOs, what we do is I make a custom message telling them, you know, I'm an investor, I want to buy their home, I'm very interested, and I upload that message into this SlideDial. And then what I do is I'll also upload my database of FSBOs into the SlideDial control panel. And with the click of a button, I decide which message I want to broadcast to these individuals without even ringing their phone. Now, one of the major differences between this technology and the other technology I did a video about, you know, a couple of days ago, about voice broadcasting, is totally different. Voice broadcasting is like what I call an auto dialer. It just calls the phone. When the customer picks up, the message starts playing like a machine. Okay, this technology is totally different because it calls the customer, but their phone never rings, so they never get disturbed, and the message just goes 100% into their mailbox. Okay, so I like it because I like both of them, but they both have different benefits and negativity. So SlideDial is a really good software for prospecting, sales, customer feedback, you know, customer appreciation, follow-ups. For example, if I'm talking to a motivated seller, instead of calling them and listening to them for a couple of minutes and then asking them, hey, you forgot to sign the contract, I use this and just to go ahead and inbox them and say, hey, you forgot to sign the contract, or you forgot to sign the amendment, do that, send it to the title company, here's the fax number. Therefore, I save myself a lot of times by not just talking to everybody. Hey, how's your day going? Blah, blah, blah. Just a small talk and just get into business, because time is money, and therefore I like to monetize all my time as much as possible. Guys, if you have any questions, please leave a comment. This is a very powerful tool. Please like, please share, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will get back with you. Now go out there and hustle and bustle, man. This is America. The grass is so green here. Don't listen to the naysayers. Don't listen to the TV or the bankers or the whoever that tells you you can't do something. Okay, if you really want to do it, you have a burning desire, there's no reason why you can't. sacrifice watching TV or go to seminars or go read books or shadow people that are, you know, where you want to be in life, and then learn from them, and then you go and implement what you've learned into a harvest for yourself in America. You don't just have to settle for a paycheck. Not that I'm saying that you should quit your job. You could still have your job, but have your in-home business, just like Rich Dad Poor Dad says in the book. Guys, this is Mike with My Real Estate Dojo. I'll talk to you later, gang. Have a great day. Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy, where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on, for just $97 a month. Join me now at MrNoFluff.com. Lastly, the best 6-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.mrnofluff.com. Now let's get back to the content.